everybody, Julie here. I am going to be showing you how I am packing for Paris, a flight that leaves in, I kid you not, 2 hours, and I am going to fit all my clothing for a week in my one backpack. Definitely leaving things to the last minute here. Kind of a procrastinator, but that's my style. I don't really plan anything until I get to a place. I just kind of see what I feel like and go where the wind takes me, so to speak. I have all my clothing set up on my bed. Let me kind of show you my tips for packing. So Paris right now is about 50 degrees high. It's pretty cold. So unfortunately, I won't be able to wear a lot of cute outfits and a lot of cute dresses. I will be having to stay warm. So let me kind of show you what I have planned for the week. 2 pairs of long pants, black obviously, nice and neutral. And one of them is wide leg and one of them is skinny. I use these packing cubes. They're awesome. I put my clothing in here and then I can keep organized, and I actually keep my bottoms in one and my tops in the other. And I roll up my clothing. So I've got a pair of capris on right now that I will wear there. I got some room in here, so I will be putting a couple dresses in there. It's Paris, I can't not bring a few dresses, but I will just be wearing them over pants. So one thing you'll see with all these outfits, they're neutral, okay? So that means the sweaters that I bring, the tank tops that I bring to wear underneath, I can mix and match everything. We'll never not have something to match. Okay, we got one pouch. Actually, let's skip to undergarments. One sports bra, one bandeau, I don't know how to say it, 2 pairs of socks, and 1 pair of underwear. I have another pair on, so yes, that equals 2 pairs of underwear for the week. Now before you freak out, I do my own laundry, and this underwear is no ordinary underwear. This is Ex Officio, which is antimicrobial, moisture wicking, fast drying. Their whole shtick is that you only really need 1 pair of underwear. So I'm going with 2, perfectly fine. And then move to shirts. Yeah, let's start with my tank tops. I have the one that I'm wearing, light blue, another neutral, a coral camisole, and then a couple other like kind of neutrally tunic shirts that will match with several different things. Let me roll these up. I like to roll them up so they're not folded, so that they're easier to kind of grab. Okay, there's still some room in there. So let me go on to my sweater. This one's the bulkiest, so I'm gonna wear it on the plane. I've got a taupe. It's really lightweight, so I can wear it with a jacket still. This one's kind of like a sporty thing with a little hood, but lightweight enough to go underneath some, underneath a shirt and a jacket. This one. Okay, so I am like pretty much set, and actually I have room in this one. So I'm gonna combine and maybe put this camisole in my underwear pouch. That one's good. And the rest of my shirts in the sweater one. So it will be about 50s high, 30s low in Paris. So I've got my sort of puffy, packable, condensable, warm jacket. And then I've got this one that's got a hood that's more like for rain. just in case I wanted to double up or different weather. These La Sportiva trail runners, basically use them to walk. They're neutral. They're super comfortable. Run, walk, hike, whatever. Very versatile. These ones are killer. These are awesome. As you can see, kind of sporty, but kind of casual, but kind of like street smart. And they're so, so comfy. So you can kind of dress these down or dress these up, I guess. Sperry brand, love them. I'm gonna pack these. I'm gonna wear my La Sportivas on the plane. So I've got my 40-liter backpack, which, as you may or may not know, is the carry-on size. Let's just start putting these in here. Okay, we're doing good so far, but don't forget about toiletries, right? Here are my toiletries for 1 week. So let me fold this up and see how we're fitting. This backpack has actually seen me through a lot. It saw me through 4 weeks in Europe. Little over a week in Ecuador, Costa Rica. People are amazed that I can fit what I can fit in here and that I can live out of one backpack. But like you saw, it's all about having clothing that you can mix and match. It's about doing your own laundry. It's about not caring that you're gonna have pictures with the same clothes. Okay, I am actually having some room to spare. This is going well. Okay, bingo. We can even close it. This is my little cord kit. This is awesome. This is a cube I got on Amazon. It has a bunch of different country adapter things in it. So got that. These are critical too. These are like little portable chargers to put in my backpack. And then obviously all your cords for your electronics and headphones. I will put that on the top. So that is all. Thanks for watching. Don't worry, I will speed up the slow parts. Love you guys. Please follow my adventures. I will check in with you soon. Have an awesome rest of your week.